everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages. It doesn't really matter where, just have the keyboard on the screen. Now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, and if for some reason in your case you cannot see any settings, then simply tap on the three dots icon here, just upon got it, and as you can see here you've got some additional options and the settings should appear right here. You will be able to tap on them, hold them and drag them to this very first position. So let's enter the settings as I said, and here we have to enter the languages. This is basically the list of the keyboards and the languages which you've got currently set on your keyboard, and as you can see we've got only English obviously, so just tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of the languages which are available from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply tap first of all, find the one you'd like to use and tap on it, and I will pick kind of graphical language in order to show you the actual difference after changing the keyboard. So let me pick Assyrian, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So just tap on the region you'd like to use, and here we've got the types of keyboard from which we can also choose. So just pick the one you'd like to set and tap on done. And as you can see, the Assyrian language has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard in order to check how it works. And as you can see, we've got two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it, right here, we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language whenever we want to. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Actually, not Arabic, Assyrian, sorry. Let's tap on it again, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to your keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 3 or 4 different languages added. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages here. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, and as you can see here we can mark the language we would like to remove. What's more, if you want to, you can reorder the languages. It's up to you, of course. And tap on the trash bin icon after marking. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And here you can see that the spacebar is empty. What's more, we cannot find the language key, and it simply means that we cannot change the language, so we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.